Today, we're diving into the sleek and sophisticated KOHLER KCBCLC3026FS Beveled Medicine Cabinet, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your bathroom. This wall-mounted cabinet features a durable anodized aluminum construction with a rust-proof and chip-resistant finish, ensuring long-lasting elegance. With its mirrored interior and two adjustable tempered glass shelves, you can easily organize your bathroom essentials while adding a touch of sophistication to your space. The cabinet's two-way adjustable hinges and 108-degree opening capability provide effortless access and a smooth closing mechanism. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included side mirror kit and mounting hardware for both surface and recessed setups, allowing for a reversible left or right-hand swing. Enhance your bathroom's aesthetic and functionality with this modern medicine cabinet that combines versatile storage options with a stylish beveled edge frame. Don't miss out on transforming your bathroom into a more organized and visually appealing space with this exceptional KOHLER medicine cabinet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.